Hello everyone. This is very interesting topic where we are going to see how to select a specific database when we are writing SQL statements or queries. So selecting database allows us to specify which database you want to use for the queries. So in short, let's say if you want to work on some particular database, then you would like to select that one. So here we will see what command will help you to do that. And please remember that you can only operate on one database at a time. And for that purpose, you use command. Let's try to understand this with the syntax. There are multiple databases available on your SQL server, and you want to use, let's say, database name database, then you just use keyword use and new database name. Try to understand this with the example. There are four different databases: DB1, DB2, DB3, and DB4. And you are interested in working or writing your SQL statement using DB4 database, right? And for that purpose, first you need to select this DB4, and you will do that using use command. Very simple, right? Use keyword, after that your database name. That's all. Let's try to understand this using our exercise and SQL implementations. In this question, we have been asked to select a specific database. And very first database they ask us to select is a select student management database. And the second, they ask us to select the course management database. Okay, let's write SQL statements for these. In first question, we have been asked to select a student management database, right? Let me write this one, management database. Just have a look on this panel, and what you see here is the highlighted one is professor management. So this is the one that this is the database that has been selected. But once you select student management database using use statement, after that the student management name will be highlighted. This is just observation. I'll let you know once we do that one. But right now just keep eye on this one, professor underscore management. Now I will say we need to select a specific data set, and that database name is student management, right? Okay, now watch here. If I execute this statement, what happens? Did you notice the student management name is highlighted on this panel, right? Now the second question was to select a course management database, right? I will just say here question number 2. I will say use course management, right? Now watch here what happens when we select this database course management. It should be highlighted, right? I will just select this statement. I will execute the SQL query, and now you see the course management is highlighted. I think it was very simple to understand, and everything looks great. So let me know if you have any questions or comments. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.